How to change Facebook page business page URL. To do this, first of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook on your phone from the Google Play Store. After you have done that, you can simply open the Facebook on your device. After opening the Facebook, you will see an interface like this. I've already switched my Facebook to the business page, so it is looking like this. So I will show you how to change this into your Facebook page. To do that, you can see there is 3 vertical lines on the right side with your profile on it. Just click on it and you can see here is the circle arrow with your profile on it. And when you tap on this, it will take you to your Facebook page. So just tap on this. And now the process to take your business page to Facebook page begins. Just log in. And here you go. So you can change this Facebook page to business page by the same process. Go on the 3 vertical lines, tap there, and you will again see there is an arrow with the business profile on it. And when you tap on this, it will take you to your business page. So this is how you do it. I hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.